let's go for a little ride, see how this works at nighttime. It looks nice. Looks really nice. We're going to get some pizza. It's about 40 degrees out. Oh, that was nice. Felt like my throttle body stuck. Let's get rid of these sunglasses so I can be in glare. Yeah, this looks nice. I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just a regular video. Steering wheel is like frozen. This is the first time I'm in the car since I drove back from Arizona.
Speed camera reported ahead.
Yeah, thanks. If you're not using the Waze app, you're I think you're crazy. There's actually no speed camera in this direction, it's in the other direction. If you look dead center ahead of us, you can see the plane taking off from JFK Airport, which is about a mile to our right. I got no food in the house, so I says, oh, let me order some pizza and stuff, but for some reason you can't get it delivered on the computer, so I'll go grab the car and go pick up. Take a little ride, why not? I haven't been in a car in a day. We are on Cross Bay Boulevard in Broad Channel, New York. Little island, just a little west of JFK Airport. It's a gateway to Rockaway Beach, in case you don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this video, so we will mention a few things in case I put it across a couple sites. Probably end up on YouTube on the Awesome Classic Car YouTube channel. Why not? Speed limit's 30 miles an hour. To do that in my sleep. Stupid New York City rules. So back in the day, back in the 70s and 80s, this used to be 4 lanes wide. They killed the right lane off for a bike lane, and the left lane is just an emergency turning lane and whatever. They used to do drag racing down here, and serious drag racing. They used to be in cahoots with the cops and bribe the cops and close the road down to people every half hour, and they would run. This is a cool 2.5 mile strip. This is Gateway National Recreation Area. So, also known as a famous dumping ground for mob bodies in the 70s. Growing up, it would be no big deal to pass by a car and the car be burnt and the people be burnt in the car. There was no federal police or anything back then, so this was all like unregulated. The local NYPD cops, who most of them were on the take back in the day, didn't give a shit. They turned their heads the other way. But you can see this is a nice, desolate place to dump bodies, among other things. The island that we live on is only 3 miles long. Only 1 mile of houses. The other 2 miles of this strip getting out of town to the north. Headed up to almost 45 miles an hour there. That's not good considering the speed limit's 35. God, I can't wait to move out of the state. Just for that reason alone. Coming up to the bridge that leads to Howard Beach. Joe W. Senior Bridge. Off to the left-hand side. Can't really see it, but I'm looking at the Empire State Building and the Freedom Tower. Here's the left lane, maybe you'll be able to see it. And to the right is JFK Airport. There you go, able to see it. I don't want to turn the camera, but trust me, it's there.
Red light camera ahead.
It's nice to see all the lights are out on the bridge. Gino's Pizza, get ourselves a meatball hero and a lasagna. Save the lasagna for tomorrow. Well, it's amazing how my accent comes out when I say lasagna. Oh, they put the Christmas lights up. That's nice. This is like the world's worst idea ever for Christmas lights. Because if you're colorblind, you can't see when the lights are red, green. You'll see it as I'm driving by. Putting up all white lights around the traffic lights is not a good idea. So, yeah, this looks kind of nice in the camera. Over on the left side is an urgent care that used to be the beer distributor. Shit, that's got to be 25 years ago. I forgot to turn the heat on in the car. What do you know? Anyway. These is great white lights. And right here, I'm going to guess that this light is green.
Speed camera reported ahead.
Yeah, they put new speed cameras up. City needs more money. Hopefully I'll be turning before then. Upstairs killing themselves working out. That's nice. In the gym, Planet Fitness. Couldn't pay me enough money to go in there. Culver City. So we're about a block away from Gino's. Not bad, 10 minutes. I thought it was gonna be longer. Windshield's a little dirty. That's all right. Nobody cares. Feels weird being in a car actually, which is kind of funny considering I spent 4 days in the car coming from Arizona to New York. Going to the KFC. All right. Thanks for joining our little trip.